YouTube, what is poppin'? Our Ghost Hunter here with another banger of a video. Today we're actually doing something completely different. We're going to do a tutorial video for all you streamers and content creators out there. We're going to have a look at Eklipse GG, using it now for a wee bit, and I have found that making short form videos with this is super easy. So if you want to see more tutorial videos like this, hit the subscribe button with the bell so you don't miss any awesome videos. Drop a like, drop a comment down below. Let's get into it. Right guys, so here we are at Eklipse.gg login. Now I will put the link for this website in the description of the video. All you need to do, quite simply, if you're a Twitch streamer, connect into your Twitch, YouTube, go into your Google, Facebook, same thing. Example, I do everything on YouTube. Bingo. Here we go. Now, what you can do is link your streams. Now, is where you can connect your Twitch chat, your Kick chat, and obviously your Facebook has already been done. I haven't done this in a wee while. And there you go. Just connect in, via it like that, and this will bring up all your past broadcasts. Join their Discord if you want. Feel free to. I streamed on on Twitch pretty much 9 days ago. All you need to do, generate clips, put in whatever you were playing. For instance, I was playing Fortnite at this on this occasion, and then after that's confirmed, bingo, it'll process all, and then it'll bring up your clips. So I will bring you back whenever this is all done, and then I'll show you how to make your short form for YouTube Shorts and your TikTok, etc, etc. What you can also do is you can also put in, if you've already got a YouTube video and you want to drop some more clips, you need to do is click on here, get your any sort of random video, any sort of video on it. Just grab the link, come back over here, put the link in, get clips. Obviously you're going to be in English. I always put it in self-promotion, I would put it in the self thing. So you need to do, wait on this, take about 16 minutes, and like I said, your live stream on in progress as well. Now, if you want to up it while you are streaming, click on this. And it's already connected. Add account, connect your YouTube, connect your Kick, and it'll grab all your clips, any clips that you have that you think are necessary for like headshots or downs or any eliminations. The best way for it. So I'll be back whenever it's ready. I guess so we're back at it. Like I said, I've just uploaded a minute and 6 second video. Got 3 clips out of it. We'll jump into it and see what the clips are so we can go in and edit them. And it is literally like, so we'll click on this one and then edit. You will get an email obviously to say that your clips are ready. I have kind of clipped this one already, but this is just one of the templates that I use. So find face, and next, gameplay, all next, bingo, your channel name, single channel. You can have it for your Twitch, you can have it for your YouTube, your Facebook. Obviously we're going to go YouTube. I've already got mine pre-installed. Confirm. Take about 5 minutes to download. That is how simple it is. Whenever it's converted, it'll come up here. So you can check the progress of it by going in. So it's 40% at the minute. So if we go into the converted ones, because like I said, I've already clipped a few of them anyway, and all you need to do, hit download, and then upload them to TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. So I hope this video explained a lot for you. I'm hoping I explained it as best as I can. And if you do want to see more tutorial videos like this, hit the subscribe button with the bell so you don't miss out on any awesome videos. Drop a like and drop a comment down below. And peace out, and I'll see you on the next one.